Welcome to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this session, we turn our focus to Latin America, specifically to the medical device registration timelines in Colombia, as regulated by the Instituto Nacional de Vigilancia de Medicamentos y Alimentos, or INVIMA. Understanding the different pathways is crucial for any manufacturer planning to enter this key market. Colombia's regulatory framework, primarily governed by Decree 4725 of 2005, uses a four-tier risk-based classification system similar to the European Union. Class 1 for low risk, Class 2A and 2B for moderate to high risk, and Class 3 for the highest risk devices. The registration timeline and process depend entirely on which of these classes your device falls into, creating two distinct pathways. The first is the standard pathway, often called the controlled review process. This route is mandatory for high-risk devices, specifically those in Class 2B and Class 3. Under this process, INVIMA conducts a full, detailed evaluation of the technical dossier, including all clinical evidence, performance data, and quality management system documentation, before granting market approval. This is a thorough, in-depth review, and manufacturers should plan for a timeline of approximately 6 to 8 months from submission to final approval. This timeframe can be extended if INVIMA requests additional information, which pauses the review clock. The second and much faster option is the expedited pathway, also known as automatic registration. This pathway is available for lower-risk devices, meaning Class 1 and Class 2A. To be eligible, a manufacturer must provide a certificate of free sale or certificate to foreign government from a recognized reference market, such as the United States, the European Union, Canada, Japan, or Australia. When these criteria are met, INVIMA grants market authorization almost immediately upon submission of the complete application, often within a few days or weeks. While INVIMA still reserves the right to review the technical file after granting the registration, this pathway allows for incredibly rapid market entry for eligible devices. Strategically, the difference is significant. A company with a Class 2A device that already has a CE mark or FDA clearance can leverage the automatic registration pathway to begin commercialization in Colombia in a fraction of the time it would take for a company with a novel Class 2B device requiring a full controlled review. Therefore, a clear understanding of your device classification and existing approvals is the first step in forecasting your time to market in Colombia. If your company needs help navigating the complexities of global market access in Colombia or other regions, Pure Global is here to assist. For free AI-powered regulatory tools and our extensive device database, check the description of this episode. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.